People are always complaining why gasoline is so bad, and I'm not against them because it is. You see, gasoline is formed by a processed crude oil and usually has a rich brown color with a very strong odor. It's also flammable and contains about 150 plus chemicals. However, biodiesel came into play. Biodiesel was designed by a man named Rudolf Diesel. He demonstrated that his engine could run on peanut oil. Biodiesel is made from vegetable oil or other natural oils, mostly derived from soy in the U.S. Biodiesel contains no petroleum, but it can be blended at any level with petroleum diesel to make a biodiesel blend. Biodiesel is less toxic than gasoline. Also, it's not destroying our environment. Biodiesel can provide for our farmers. It also burns up to 75% cleaner than conventional diesel fuel. Biodiesel is an impact on less dumping of corn and soy surplus overseas. Learning all this information about biodiesel makes me want to choose biodiesel. How about you?